Hey guys, welcome to another day. I feel like I haven't been here in forever, but it was just one day. But yeah, so we have a big day tomorrow with Powell speaking. We might get a very choppy market today and tomorrow before Powell. But so my watch list for today is mainly Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, and I also had Meta, but I didn't know Meta had like a like big day today, so I'm not really gonna trade Meta today unless I see like a good move and the event ends. Like after the event I could trade Meta, but not before or during the event because it will be too risky. So it's mainly gonna be mainly Microsoft, Nvidia, and Apple. What I'm looking on each one, first of all, Microsoft. So Microsoft has yesterday went all the way down to 311, 312. And in the past, that level it's been very important for Microsoft. Like I've seen Microsoft bouncing from that level like 3 times. So that's a level that I'm looking on Microsoft. It's between 310 and 312. It was support yesterday, support here also, and support here in the past and resistance here. So yesterday's low, yesterday's closing, yeah, closing price is important. 312. It's important. On Microsoft. Nvidia is still on this big downtrend on a bear flag. So 424 424, 425, it's kind of like the area to watch. If Nvidia uses 424, 425 as support, we can see again Nvidia going to 428. But if I see a rejection there, I'll be looking to play puts. The other one, I think my main watch is gonna be Apple. Apple, the 174 level, the rejection of 174, because 174 was a very strong support in the past. Yesterday Apple broke that support with a very big engulfing bearish candle. So for me today, any bounce to 174, it's a bit level to play the reaction, but it looks like the market is it's kind of going down right now. But Apple 172 is the level to watch for support. 174 is the level to watch for a rejection. So I'm gonna play most likely a rejection at 174. I don't I don't know if I want to play the bounce out of 172. I don't know. It depends how the market is gonna look. But if Apple loses 172 as support, it's gonna go all the way down to 170. It has a little bit of support around 171. One no, it's 170.40, 170.50. So you have all these level here as support, but the main one is 170. 170, 170.50. So yeah, Apple big level to watch here. Um and the SPY and the Q levels, you guys have it also on my Discord. So like always, let's be patient and wait for good setups. Um, I didn't trade yesterday because I didn't like how the market it's been moving the past few days, so I just decided to skip yesterday, and honestly, I wanted to skip today also and tomorrow. I want to skip today and tomorrow. But I don't know, we'll see. Because you guys know how the market move when we have Powell speaking. And he's speaking tomorrow. I don't remember at what time, but he's speaking tomorrow. Nvidia looks crazy strong. Morning, morning. Okay. Okay. So far, Nvidia is the one that looks very strong. So SPY open in the middle of nowhere, and it has gaps above and below. Okay, Apple is rejecting right away. That is not gonna help the market go higher. Yesterday I got a Microsoft call because I like it, the 310 bounce. But I don't know. Apple is very, very weak, so I don't think that's gonna help the market going higher. Nvidia is rejecting 424, 425. Tesla weak. Okay. I'm watching Apple. I like Apple. If loses yesterday's low, that's a clear put play. Okay. Apple is the one that I like. Okay. So far, that this candle reaction here on the Q is looking ugly. But we'll see, we'll see, because SPY and the Q are on the middle nowhere. But if Apple loses yesterday's low and use it as resistance, that's the play that I'm gonna go with for puts. Morning, morning. Nvidia is crazy strong. Okay, Apple is holding there. Apple's looking very, very weak. So I'm being patient here because that's the one that I like. SPY is not looking good either. And Nvidia keeps rejecting. I don't really watch oil. Okay, SPY is looking weak there. Nvidia keeps rejecting the same levels. Also, if Microsoft lose this 312 and use it as resistance, I think it's another one that it can be a good short. But so far, SPY and the Q are doing nothing. Um, so no trade for me. Microsoft is looking pretty weak. Apple is holding. SPY is not looking good. I'm gonna go with one SPY to the down with futures. My stop loss is gonna be morning high. Let's see. I'm not. I haven't entered it yet. I'm gonna wait a little bit. But I'm looking this play to the downside. Mm. You know why I haven't taken that these? I like this rejection here, but Apple is holding too good 172. And if Apple is holding, I kind of find it difficult for the market to go against Apple. Nvidia keeps rejecting for 26, for 25. The thing is, like, I don't like trading like in the middle of nowhere. I would prefer to either spy go up here or fill the gap above and then take puts there or go all the way down again to yesterday's low and if and play that if loses yesterday's low. But in the middle of this at this level, I don't see like the risk to reward is not there for me. Yeah, 172 is a strong support on Apple. So if Apple bounce here, I want to see it to 174 and I will play puts there. So I'm going to be very patient, but because the market's been very choppy the past few days and not being patient, it's when we lose money the most and easier. Okay, Nvidia is rejecting there. That's a very good entry for Nvidia put. What I think is what I said. Like, as long as the market's in the middle of nowhere, for me, there's a no trade. I don't want to trade it in where the Q and SPY is at. Like I said, what I like is if Apple loses 172, I will play the downside. Microsoft loses 312, I use it as resistance. I like the downside here, but I'm just being patient because both are still holding support. Nvidia keeps fighting for 24, for 25, for 26. I think the key for me is this 172 level on Apple. The thing is, I feel if I enter here for the downside, it can easily bounce off me here because Apple is holding and the Q is holding very good also. If I play calls here, it can go down if Apple loses 172. So I don't love anything. The only ones that look really, really good is Nvidia. If if the Q can go higher, and also if SPY can hold, Nvidia looks like it's ready to rip. But if the SPY is looking very weak, Apple is looking weak also, but it's holding above 172. Ooh, are banks that are getting crushed? Okay. Okay, so banks are getting crushed and Apple is looking weak. So that is not gonna help for the upside. Nothing is moving, it's just there. Okay. Okay, now I think Nvidia might move. Yeah. Okay, that's very good for my Microsoft calls. What's pre-market high? Let's see. Ooh, okay. So, okay, so the Q is rejecting pre-market high. Where is the SPY? Okay. 428 pre-market high here, and it's rejecting there. Apple rejecting also. say the Q needs to hold pre-market high as support. So we want to see this 5 minute candle closing above pre-market high, which is around 456.35. I will say just 456.40. It will be a good like level for the Q to close a 5 minute candle holding that as support. SPY is like not moving. Meta is strong, is above 300. But like I said, Meta has a event today, so I will not trade Meta. I didn't want to trade today. I just came here today because I have the stream, but I knew like it is expected, right? We have always the day before and the same day that Powell speaks. It's always the same. It's always choppy. Last week was the same before Powell. Today looks like it's gonna be the same. Thanks. Thank you guys for the support and for being here. Like I really appreciate it. Really. Oh yeah, nothing so far. We keep rejecting there. The Q on the spot, it's in the middle of nowhere still. Apple holding 172. Nvidia keeps rejecting 426. Even though it looks bullish, it keeps rejecting 426. Yeah, I'm expecting the rest of the week being very choppy. So if I didn't have the stream, I wouldn't be trading this entire week. That's why I skipped yesterday, and I wanted to skip today and tomorrow and Friday. I might skip tomorrow because I see no point. Okay. Oh, wait. Apple. Apple is losing 172. Let's see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close. Okay. Apple, let's see. Let's see how this 5 minute candle is gonna be, because if banks are doing bad today and Apple is weak today, the market has like nothing to go higher. But it's still holding here. Okay, let's see how this Apple candle is gonna close. Still holding. The Q is still holding. Mm. Nvidia is looking, yeah, I do like the risk to reward there for Nvidia puts, but Nvidia is the one that it looks stronger. So if you want to play puts, I'll go with the weakest, not with the strongest one. Mm. But yeah, the risk to reward on puts on Nvidia there, it's very good. But I don't know. Morning, morning. I like it. Apple puts, but it keeps holding 172. Like it's just there. I wanted to see like a full close, like engulfing candle closing below 172. But right now it's just there, holding. Okay, I like more that because it's using 172 as resistance. But I think I'm gonna wait until I see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close. Microsoft is looking very weak. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, look at Nvidia. Nvidia is the strongest one today. And Apple is holding there. This is so choppy and so boring. Netflix. I have a alert on Netflix. I only like Netflix if can use 387, 386 support. I'm gonna play Netflix this upside. But if not, I'm not gonna play Netflix. That's what I'm looking on Netflix. I have alert there, but if it doesn't go to that to my alert, I'm not even gonna look Netflix. Okay, I'm getting one. I got one pretty much contract to the downside on SPY on futures because Apple is under my level. You guys can play Apple or play whatever you want, but I just got one because the market is extremely choppy and the Q is holding very very good. So my stop loss is gonna be this level here near 428. It's only one micro because the market is extremely choppy. So I don't want to put too much risk on anything today. And the Q is looking kind of bullish, but Apple is bearish. So yeah. Yeah, Nvidia is breaking down. I have a 405 NVIDIA put that I got yesterday. So I have a Microsoft call and NVIDIA put. Oh. But yeah, NVIDIA, that rejection there. Yeah. Anybody took Apple puts? Apple puts is the one like when it lost 172. Apple is losing it, but the Spy is holding. Everything is like Spy and the Q are holding very good. I don't know why. Microsoft under 312 is another one that you can move fast, just like Apple. Mhm. Okay. Come on, Spy, just break down. Okay, so mm, Spy and the Gear doing nothing. Just stuck there. It's under pre-market low, Spy at least, but it's just holding there, like doing nothing. Mm. So I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna look these like this resistance here. If it doesn't break that resistance, I'm gonna hold my one and only micro that I have on each account, on my futures accounts. Okay, I like that. Who got Apple on that 172 reaction? Apple was pretty good. Microsoft is the other one that it can be very good, that I like. It's fine. Doing a paper trade, it's good as long as you know what you're doing is good practice. Okay, let's watch 170 on Apple. We could have a bounce there. Mm. Okay, Nvidia is looking good to the downside. Kian, what percentage are you up on Nvidia, on those Nvidia puts? You got like a perfect entry. The risk to reward there was extremely good. Okay, I'm taking Microsoft puts 307.5 for weekly. Stop loss is gonna be if uses 312 support. Okay. Let's see if Apple is gonna lose. Yeah, Apple looks like it's losing 110. Nvidia rejection was beautiful. What weekly means? What's weekly? What weekly? We're on, it's the same week. How it can be October if I say weekly? It's this week. Okay, be careful here because Apple could bounce here. And if Apple bounce here, the market's gonna bounce. Because the market it's been holding a lot. Very good. Mm, it's fine. Okay, so I think right now it's all about if Apple's gonna hold 170 or not. It looks like it wants to hold 170. Okay, so we're sleeping. My Microsoft does look bearish. It is rejecting 312. Apple is fighting 170, which could mess up my futures trade and my Microsoft trade. Okay, Microsoft, I like that move. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, I like that move on Apple. So my next support on Apple, oh, that was 171. I'm sorry, I thought it was 170. So the next support on Apple is around 170. Mm-mm-mm. I think the best trade was Apple when lost 172. That was a trade. But Microsoft puts are still looking good. Yeah, it can be 310. Yeah, it can be a good one. 310 for today. Um, it depends what you're looking at. You're looking to swing or it's just a day trade. It's just like a day trade. Scalp 310 is a good one. But at this point, I'm just gonna like see how it goes. If the Q and Apple keeps looking like weak, I'm just gonna keep holding Microsoft. I wish I had more futures contracts because the entry was like perfect. But look, I $300 up only with one micro. Yeah. Damn, Microsoft dead. Okay. Spy, it's approaching yesterday's low, and it has a little gap here to fill. Let's see if it's gonna fill that gap. So my blue zones on my charts are gaps. Mm-mm. Yeah, no problem. Mm-mm. Okay. So we're approaching important levels on Apple, SPY, and the Q. Mm. Apple has a gap, but let me check that. Um, Not really, but it doesn't have a gap. But yeah, it's approaching support. So let's see. 117 would be like the perfect support there, but all this gray area that I have here, it's kind of support on Apple. And this is a big level here on Apple. Oh, I'm sorry, on SPY. Let's see if the SPY is gonna hold here. If not, 425. But as long as Apple keeps going lower, I think the market is gonna have a difficult time going higher. 22%? That's not too much. I thought it was gonna be like 50%. Um, so now it's just like waiting and see if we're gonna keep going like slowly down or we're gonna bounce here. I guess today it's gonna be another day like this entire week that we're the market's moving very slow. Yeah, I think Apple wants to go to 170. That's gonna help my future play and also Microsoft puts. Let's see. Apple haven't made like a one green candle on this downtrend. Ooh. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so looks like Apple wants to hold there, or maybe just like a dead cat bounce because Apple is just too far from the VWAP and 90 MA. But, but, okay, let's see. Mm-mm-mm. It's only 10:20 and I feel like the market haven't been like 1 hour open since, but I'm already bored here because everything's moving so slow. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, 2 weeks like that. That's it's pretty difficult to trade when it's like that. Mm-mm. Let's see, Apple is gonna reject 171. We'll see. That's a big move. And this is what happened when the market is choppy. You have slow move and then out of nowhere you have like huge candles. Yeah. So I want to see a SPY rejecting this support here. I want to see it acting as resistance. kind of like around here. Pretty much where the VWAP is. Mm, mm, mm. Okay. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see SPY holding VWAP support. But I'm not gonna sell my play on futures if SPY is not over my stop loss. Because I noticed the past few days it's been very choppy, but um let's go to a 5 minutes. So the past few days, SPY and the Q, like it went down and then kind of started bouncing around, but never broke the morning high. That's what happened yesterday. That what happened on Monday, on Tuesday. I'm sorry, no, yesterday was Tuesday. Yeah, so that what happened Tuesday. What else? So basic on Monday it went up and then went down, but it never lost like the morning support. So basically, when you have, I noticed when the first move in the morning is the direction that is gonna have the entire day, and as long as it doesn't break that first move, it just keeps going. Very choppy, but it just keeps going. So Monday went up and then chops around the entire day, but it could never break that morning support. And yesterday went down and then chop around the entire day, but never broke morning resistance. So that's what I'm looking today. Unless it breaks this morning high, I'm not gonna get out. In fact, I like how it's reacting there. Let's see, but the Q is looking bullish. But yeah, we want to see the Q rejecting here. Mm, mm, mm. I like that rejection there. I kind of feel like getting another. Mm, should I take another micro? And I added one more. Again, that's I'm only holding two micros, so it's a very, very, very small position on futures. I like that it's rejecting previous support, is acting as resistance. That's what we want to see if we want to keep looking, if we want to keep like playing the downside, or if you have puts, that's what we want to see. So you want to see rejecting this now. Okay, so Apple, it's pushing higher, that it's gonna move the market higher. Mm, okay, I wanna see that rejection. I wanna see rejection here. Nvidia keeps rejecting 424, 426. It is so boring. Mm. It looks like that was a perfect ad on the futures trade. Mm, okay, so the market is on a downtrend today. It has a long week down, so I think we're gonna feel this week. When I see 30-minute on the 30-minute or 1 hour or higher time frames, weeks like these with the trend, I noticed in the past that we feel those weeks. But the market is so choppy that I don't know. Like right now, we just need to be patient. That's it. Apple is looking bullish, so I don't know. Yeah, Apple's kind of trying here. What was that? Yeah, Microsoft looks like it wants to hold here. It just the Q is holding very good. This is why I didn't want to trade today. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow because this is stupid. Trading on this market like trading on days like this is recipe to lose money. And I think it's extremely important to know when to trade and when not to trade. Like the best traders out there trade only a few times per like month. Yeah. It is expected to lose money if we trade days like this. No, it's not never. It's September by statistic, it's one of the worst month to trade. So like honestly, if we deserve to lose money, if we're no like we know like I knew today was gonna be a crappy day. So there was no need for me to trade today. And I know it's gonna be a crappy day tomorrow also. So there's no need for me to trade tomorrow. And we knew September is a bad month for the market. It's either very choppy or it's red. So why do we expect like something good happening? What do you mean if you can have a few hours? You can trade whenever you want. It's just for me, I don't want to be sitting on 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 my computer like the entire day. It's not worth it. Hmm. So yeah, Apple is definitely gonna fill this gap. Hope I think Spy should go the same way. They should fill this gap this week also, just like Apple, but I don't know. And Microsoft, as long as it keeps like rejecting around 312, it's it looks bearish. Let me see if I can find like a good week. No, monthly. Can Nvidia just die already? Nvidia is driving me crazy. It's been on this like Nvidia's been on this downtrend inside a bear flag like forever. One, two, three, four, two, four. Today is the fifth day on this bear flag of Nvidia and keeps rejecting this. Like Nvidia needs to die already. Mm-mm-mm. I'm hungry, and this is getting like I feel it's been forever, but it's only like a little bit over 1 hour of the market open, and yeah. Come on, Microsoft, just die. Mm. Okay, I like that. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, I like that move. Come on, give me a little bit more. Okay. Okay, I like that. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, come on, spy, just die here. I wanna see spy losing this low here. I wanna see a spy losing this hold here. That's support from yesterday. If loses that low, it's done so. Anybody here is trying futures? Who's been trying futures with me? Mm-mm. Nice. On features. Awesome. Apex still has um 80% off. Here you have the 80%. If you want to try futures, you can have 80% there on with that link. Just put save 80 and it's only gonna cost you like $30 your evaluation account. I'm working very slowly on 16. I think I have 16 evaluation account, but I already have six. I already have like a six real accounts. These ones that you're looking. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, six. And I'm doing like very slow but steady. But I want to be like consistent because I'm new on futures, so I want to be very consistent. The idea is to have 20 accounts. Just imagine to make $100 daily with 20 accounts. $100 is very easy to make on futures. Like just look, like I just made more than 100 on each one, only with two micros. I think you can. I think you can. But just go to their Q&A page and let's see. Let me see if I can find that. Let me see. International, maybe. Or outside US. Mm, I don't know, but just go to this page and you can maybe found if you can use it if you're outside of US because you might need a social security number, but I'm not sure. I honestly don't know. Damn. Mm. Watch Nvidia if loses 419. 419. If Nvidia loses 419, 415, 415, it will be ideal. Okay, looks like we're going for yesterday's low. Yesterday's low. Okay. Wait, so we're very close to yesterday's low. So I'm gonna sell one contract and I'm gonna hold one, only one, because I want to lock profits here, some profits here. Um, Also I'm 20% up on Microsoft, so I'm gonna look a little bit more. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, 415 on, I have 415, 416 on Nvidia is the level that we wanna see breaking, but so far broke morning low. It's fighting for 419, which is 419.50, which is pre-market low. So yeah, Nvidia and yesterday's aftermarket is 418. So between 420 and 418 is the level that Nvidia is holding. Okay, and we're right at yesterday's low on SPY. Is it gonna break here or we're bouncing? So far, it's still looking very bearish. Netflix, what's Netflix doing? Oh yeah, triple bottom here. Netflix loses 379 and use it as resistance. Is it 379? Oh no, it has a lot of support here. So yeah, I don't like Netflix. 377. It will be maybe the level to watch here. Yeah, around 377 if use it as resistance, because 377, 379. That's the level that I look on. Netflix has a lot of support here. So this is the thing that you want to see Netflix losing. Mm, no, it's an prop firm. So you don't have to provide any fund. You just pay monthly on the evaluation accounts. You just pay monthly. Like I pay in the 50K account, I I'm paying like $37, a little bit around $37 with that 80% discount. And on the 100 account, I'm paying $31 monthly on the evaluation accounts. On my real accounts, which are these six that I'm trading right now, I paid, you can either pay a one-time fee, which is almost 160 or 170, or you can pay also monthly. It's up to you. We're looking very weak. Let's see if SPY's gonna hold yesterday's low. Is not. If not, I can see it filling the gap below, which is my blue area there. Nice, Donnie. That was a good one. What's Meta doing? Meta is holding very good. Like it's been holding the past few days. Mm. Yeah, and everything, like all prop accounts, they fund your accounts. You only pay monthly. Yeah, no problem. Amazon, yeah, I'm sorry, Microsoft, yeah, that 312 rejection was great. I'm gonna wait a little bit here to see if we're gonna reject this now resistance. If not, I'm just gonna sell the last micro that I'm holding here on futures and just end the stream. But that re-entry here, it was like perfect. Perfect entry here. And the first one, it was even better. I want to see Microsoft losing 310, but for that, we need SPY and the Q losing yesterday's low, which I kind of find difficult that it's gonna happen today. But I don't know. I don't know. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, so we're rejecting here. Leg day. Bye. Have a good one. I mean, guys should definitely work out their leg. Like, should have a leg day. But if you're a guy and you don't work, like, if you don't have like a leg day, you're definitely doing just the bro split. Golf day, nice. I'm learning golf, and I love it. So far, I'm like obsessed with golf. Okay, if we reject here, SPY, I'm gonna keep holding my last future contract. If use it as support, I'm gonna get out because that's bullish. Apple is looking like it's bouncing hard here. The Q is also like pretty much held 353. And I'm hungry, and I also need to go to the bathroom. I need to pee. Um, no, I don't think I'm gonna hold anything for tomorrow. Tomorrow it's we have Powell speaking, so no. I mean, we got what Microsoft 20%. I think that's very good. I don't need more than 20%. If you're feeling risky, you can keep holding Microsoft unless it breaks 312. I just don't honestly I'm done with trading today. I'm so like sick and tired of looking this choppy market that I don't wanna keep like looking at charts the rest of the day. But if you feel like you wanna hold Microsoft, just put an alert around 312 and then just get out only if it uses 312 as support. I still have some runners on Microsoft. I might do that. I don't know. I don't know. It's just the thing is like I can see the market just holding here. I don't what do I think? I don't know why you're still holding that. Let's see what's ARM doing. As long as I keep holding this support here, like 52, 80, 53, if using this level as support is still bullish. So I think that you should have sold when it was above your stop loss. Tesla 240. Let's see Tesla 240. Um, I don't like Tesla. Like, I would not be trading Tesla today, honestly. Yeah, like that 245 level rejection was great, but you have a lot of support here. I can see Tesla feeling this weak here and going till 238, but I only like Tesla if can lose 238 and use it as resistance. That's the only way I will trade Tesla. And it's almost there. But again, doesn't matter what any like individual stock are doing if the SPY and the Q are holding yesterday's low. That's all it matters today. Yeah, it looks like the market is gonna hold here. Let's see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close and the next one, and I'm done. I wanna see the rejection here. That means we're gonna keep going lower. Okay, I'll be back in like 2 minutes because I need a bathroom break. And I'm back. Okay, that's perfect. The rejection is perfect. Um, okay. Those are weird move. Like moving very slow and then out of nowhere it moves like very fast and then slow again and then very fast. Okay, Apple just filled the wick, this 30-minute wick here. And same with Spy. I just want to see if we're gonna lose um this support here. Yesterday's low. That's good. That's good. At least you got something back. If you have weekly on I'm sorry, AMR, that's probably done so, but if you have for next week, it might go in your favor. I'm glad you guys made some money with Microsoft. It was a little bit fast, the entry, like it moved very fast right after I got in, and now it's kind of like going higher, but it was a quick 20% trade. I don't like any puts. If SPY and the Q are holding yesterday's low and or are so close to yesterday's low, anything can bounce here. So if you want to play any puts, I will wait until SPY on the Q or the Q either go to morning high or yesterday high, or it's under yesterday's low. But right now where we at, it can bounce either way. It's in the middle of nowhere. And Target is at a very strong support. So yeah, Target is at a weekly and monthly support. So yeah. Mm. You pretty much buy inputs at the worst entry. I'm not saying it's not gonna go lower. It's just the risk to reward there. It's for put is horrible. If any, I can see a bounce in here, just a technical bounce, and it's looking a little bullish, but it's still I would not trade this chart. Donnie again with the AVGO, that stock. Why do you want to trade that one so bad? It's too expensive. Why why put in so much money on something that you can make way more, that it's easier? If they're closing stores, that's bullish because it means they're like saving money closing those stores, and it means they're gonna sell more online. So less expenses, more profit. That's bullish. Okay, this is getting extremely boring. So I'm gonna end the stream here because I don't see like why I keep looking this. So I'm gonna hold my last future micro as long as the spike is rejecting this level here. And I'm gonna take profits near 422.50 or 423. That's my like PT, my main PT for today. I still have some runners on Microsoft. I'm gonna sell them if they either um break, like my stop loss is if breaks 312 and use it as support. That's that's all like I'm looking today. I'm gonna put an alert here a little bit above 312 because 312 I want to see it rejecting 312. If act as support, it's pretty bullish and I might change to calls, honestly. If keeps rejecting 312 is bearish. But yeah, that's it. Um, this is extremely boring, and I don't know if I'm gonna be here tomorrow. You guys see if I post a link to the stream, I'll be here. If not, I'm just not gonna trade because we have Powell tomorrow, and there's no need to keep like trading on this chop fest. So most likely I won't be here tomorrow, but I don't know yet. So yeah, guys, thank you for being here. I know this past few weeks it's been like horrible and not like good. Um, I haven't traded much, but honestly, for me, it's way better to not trade than to trade like crappy setups. So yeah, small profit today, but profit is profit. So maybe see you guys tomorrow. Okay, let me. I'm gonna wait to see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close. It closes like this, like holding these if closes like above this resistance, I'm definitely gonna get out. If like closes with a wick at the top rejecting this resistance, I'm gonna keep holding my future contract. mm, I'm gonna wait a little bit, but yeah, thank you guys, thank you for being here, thank you for the likes, thank you, thank you. Okay, let's see, we have like 50 seconds for this candle to close. And I'm not gonna swing anything. Even if Microsoft is under 312, I'm not gonna hold for tomorrow. And remember to like the video. Like. Okay, what's that? Okay, we're rejecting there. Okay, I'm done, guys. See you maybe tomorrow, maybe Friday. Thank you. Bye.